Aloha everyone, this is Natalie here, and I wanted to go over just a couple things for week number 3 and our online Canvas course information. So a couple of things to start off with. I just wanted to check in. At this point in our course schedule, you should have completed all of the materials in our week number 2, and you should have also completed your core exams found in the Kaplan online resource site. Now I did share a YouTube video with just kind of an introductory of how to utilize that site. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any further questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help. And at this point, you can begin to actually work on week number 3. Also, a quick little heads up, at the beginning of the week, last week, you weren't able to see check marks. And that's because I had to change a couple logistical things in Canvas, but I was able to figure out a workaround. So this week you'll have check marks, and those check marks pretty much just tell you that you visited the page. And so it helps you keep track of where you're at within the week's content modules. So I hope it helps. Also, I'm really excited because we have our first synchronous session tomorrow. I really want to say mahalo and thank you so much for completing the doodle poll, just to kind of get an idea of where everyone was at in terms of their availability. Unfortunately, everyone has very scattered ability, or availability rather, and so just to make it easy, we decided to keep to our 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. timeline. However, we are going to be recording the session, and I'll share that recording with you folks just in case you found some helpful things by the questions that people were asking. Another thing is that I want to encourage you for our synchronous session, if you're able to make it, to bring any type of questions you have, whether it's related to content, test-taking strategies, Canvas as a whole, or even the Kaplan website. I'm happy to help answer any questions that you may have, unless it's math. Then I'm going to defer that to Ronnie. So again, if you have any questions throughout this week, please feel free to email me at neichner@hawaii.edu, or if you prefer to call me, I would love to chat with you, and you can reach me at 808-689-2759. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Mahalo!